Hey YouTube, Jason here with Day Trading Fearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And as always, check out my Patreon page. The link is down below where you could see my stock portfolio and things like that in special videos only for my Patreon members. But as always, let's jump right into it. So today we're going to talk about just a quick basic divergence, okay? Here is a great divergence on FedEx, right? You could see is a price makes a high, we pull back, we make a new high, okay, and then we break the reverse waterfall. If you don't know what the reverse waterfall is, go back to my channel and look up waterfall, reverse waterfall. You'll see videos I've done about that. But essentially, all that is right here, we keep going higher. We have higher lows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the first candle that breaks below its previous low, okay? And so now the market is bearish. And so now we have what I call a waterfall, 1, 2, 3, right? Lower highs. And until price breaks back above, we are in a bearish market. So we actually have a couple things going on here where we actually have divergence. If you look right here, my screen unfreezes, right? So right here, we have a high here, okay? A high here, we pull back, but we make a new high, but the momentum has really slowed down and we make a lower high. That's divergence. And where the entry would be is right below the break of this. So when you see the divergence and you see price break below the previous candle, okay, from a series as it's making new highs, that is your entry, and your stop would just be right above those highs right there of that candle. And so if you took this short, because what happened was price closed here, right, green candle, open, made new highs, reverse, took out these lows, and now we have a continuation. So you have entered probably right about here on this red candle, and look at this, you have picked up about from high to low about 15 points, while you were only risking about 6 or actually we'll say 7 or 8 points of risk so far. But you're still in this trade until price breaks above here or until you want to take profit. So I hope that helps. Just a quick little video of how to do divergent, how to trade it, and maybe check the markets tomorrow. Look for a trade setup like this on any time frame and see how well it works for you. But as always, thank you for watching. Remember, check out my Patreon page, the link below, to follow my portfolio. But we'll talk to you soon. Thank you.